If you haven't seen our tutorial on how to do strategic planning and OKRs all within Coda, take a look at this document from Oliver Heckman, the head of engineering at Coda. And this resource is essentially a tutorial on how to set up all of your OKRs in Coda. But in this video series, I'm going to walk you through the actual process of how an enterprise would actually run their OKR process within Coda. And so in this video series, we're going to touch on sections 2, 3, and 4 from this tutorial. And I'll show you a Coda workspace that has multiple OKR and planning docs, how the docs all talk to each other, and how multiple teams and individuals can interact with these docs and collaborate to run a successful OKR process. Our team can help you create an OKR and strategic planning system in Coda that meets your company's requirements, needs, and most importantly, team culture and processes. Fill out this form, and I'll also put the link in the description in the video, and someone will get back to you about creating the system for your company. If you want to see how other companies are building their OKR system on Coda, you can go to our website, go to Solutions, Planning and OKRs, and you'll see some case studies and examples of how other companies are building OKRs on Coda, including Pinterest, John Doerr, and also Skyfall.